Well, the farmer prayed for a better year, and the crops were good like the Lord did here. But his barn burned down with winter near. The answer came in white and black. In the Farmer's Almanac it says, if a man could have half his wishes, he could double his trouble. A sweet old lady was 84 when her kinfolks came for a month or more. Now from overwork she's on the other shore. Much too late was y'all come back, and it says in the Farmer's Almanac, it says, visitors and fish smell after 3 days. Our leader was a silver-tongued man. He deceived the people of the land. And when he got caught, he couldn't stand. It's a little offbeat and a little off track, but it says in the Farmer's Almanac, it says, in rivers and bad government, the lightest things float to the top.
Jamaica land, we love that.
Diddle-dee-doo, 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 diddle-dee-doo.